Today I'm going to be talking to you about how important it is to open up to others when you're misunderstood. Hey, listen, when you're misunderstood, it's really important to open up and be vulnerable so you can get through the misunderstanding. One afternoon, right over here on the Chicago River, Ian and I were sitting on the bench. We like to go over there and watch the boats go by in the summer. It was a nice summer day, hot. And I noticed some kayakers kayaking by. You can rent kayaks and they kayak right by. And I looked over down into the river and I saw them. And I said, "Hey, would you like to kayak sometime? It looks like fun. Let's rent some kayaks and kayak through downtown. It'd be fun." And she said, "No, I'm afraid." And I said, "Why?" I said, "You are a good swimmer. Why are you afraid? We'll have life jackets on. You're a great swimmer. Why are you afraid?" She said, "I'm just afraid." And I said, "Well, tell me more." And here's what she said. Let me give you some background. Ina grew up in the Soviet Union, and the culture over there is not real gentle, I guess is a good way to put it. Things are kind of harsh, and it's just not real gentle. And she took swimming lessons when she was really young, maybe 5 years old or even 4. And the swimming instructor told her to get in the water, and she wouldn't get in the water. And so they threw her in the water, literally threw her in the water. And she had this sensation of drowning. And she said, "Roger, I can't get in water unless my feet can touch the ground. Now I can swim, but if my feet can't touch the ground, it reminds me of that time and I'm scared to death." So in her vulnerability and her courage to be talked directly about what happened to her and her fears helped me to understand her. So when you're misunderstood, man, it takes courage just to throw yourself out there and be honest with people. But it's so important for relationships. This also reminded me of something, and I understood something further about Ina. So we were snorkeling in South Florida, and me and her and Andrew, my son, and the water was clear, man. You could see 100 feet probably. It was beautiful. And Andrew and I kept going out in the deep water around the jetties into the channel, and man, you could look down in the channel and it was deep, but you could see big fish down there. And I kept coaxing her and said, "Come on out here, it's beautiful. Come on." "No, I'm fine." And I didn't ask her that day. I thought she was just afraid of, the fish or whatever, but it was because it was deep. And if she can't touch, she's not going to do that. So the bottom line is, it takes a lot of courage to open up to others when you're misunderstood, but the rewards can be tremendous. Thank you very much, and God bless.